Hello, this is RingRing. Welcome the Kotlin Multiplatform Learning Series for Android engineers. In this video, we'll learn how to handle databases in Kotlin Multiplatform using a Todo app with native UI as a sample application. You can get the source code of the Todo app from the GitHub URL in the description. In this video, we'll explain the key points of using SQLDelight. SQLDelight is a database interaction library developed by Square, and it has become a common way to manipulate databases in Kotlin Multiplatform. SQLDelight generates Kotlin code from SQL statements. The advantage of using SQLDelight is that the schema and code are always in sync. Let's take a look at the actual code. The implementation of SQLDelight is done entirely within the commonMain source set of the composeApp. You write SQL statements in Todo.sq. To deduce a Kotlin class file named Todo queries is automatically generated. We execute the SQL statements written in Todo.sq through Todo queries. In the sample app, the Todo data source class calls the selectAll function of Todo queries. Finally, let's explain the configuration part of SQLDelight. To use SQLDelight, you need to add configurations to the build.gradle. The configurations include the database name, source code directory, and package name. Each value corresponds to the directory and package on the right side of the slide. For additional library additions or plugin additions, please refer to the sample code. That's all for the explanation in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for more content on Kotlin Multiplatform.